I received this cordless vacuum cleaner as a gift, and in this video I'm showing the full unboxing, putting it together, and then using it around my house so you can see how well it performs in real life. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes neatly packaged and you can see all the different parts included. Assembly is really simple, everything just clicks together so you can get it up and running pretty quickly. Right away, one of the first things I noticed is how lightweight this vacuum is. It's really easy to hold and maneuver, which makes a big difference when you're cleaning multiple rooms or going up and down different surfaces. The design is also really nice. I have the rose red color, which is a fun change from the typical vacuum look. Once I have it put together, I start using it around my house, and this is where it really stands out. The suction is very strong and it does a great job picking up everything from fine dust to bigger debris. And I'm using it on a mix of surfaces and it handles everything really well. Another feature I really love is the green light on the vacuum head. It makes it so much easier to actually see what's on your floors. Even when the spaces look clean, the light will show you the dust, dirt, and pet hair that you probably would have missed otherwise. Especially in my house with 3 dogs, that's a huge help because there's always something to clean up. As I'm using it, you can see how smoothly it moves and how easy it is to control. It gets around furniture and into tighter areas without any issues. It also does a really good job with pet hair and longer hair, and I didn't have any issues with getting things tangled while using it. Another thing that really stands out, and honestly one of my favorite features, is its self-standing. In the video, I showed this at the end, but this is such a convenient feature. You can just stand it up anywhere while you're cleaning instead of having to lean it against a wall or laying it down. It also makes stopping and starting so much easier. I also show it mounted at the end so you can see how it looks when it's stored. It gives you a couple different options depending on how you want to keep it when you're not using it. The battery life is also really solid, so you can clean for a while without needing to recharge constantly. Overall, this is really practical vacuum for everyday use. Between the strong suction, lightweight design, green light feature, and self-standing capability, it makes cleaning quicker and easier. And with the unboxing, real use around my house, and showing it standing and mounted at the end, you get a full idea of what to expect.